another thing why it's not going so good, I had ordered some shirts from somebody, 3 persons. Let me tell you the story, guys. Beloved Riley down in Jamaica, this hot sunny weather.
We wish you a Merry Christmas.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your favorite art teacher, Artwork Fly, and today is ARTMAS Day 1, December the 1st, guys. Alright, so guys, I thought I would be ready for ARTMAS, but nothing is done. I thought that my house would be clean, I would be painted, my house would be already painted, I would have vlogs in the back to upload. I thought I would have everything done. Guys, we still are clean. I started clean. I did deep clean in November, in the first week of November, but this time around it seems like I didn't do any at all, so I have to be repeating the same thing that I did the first week of November. So what I've done so far, my kitchen is done, my kids' room is done, and the living room is done. My room is going to be the last one, and I have the veranda and the bathroom to keep clean today. Alright, I'm not even sure if I'm going to cook, because guess what? Because I had planned to cook for the vlog, but no, I only have 1 bottle of water, and I mentioned in one of my videos I live in an area where we hardly get any water. So I only have 1 bottle of drinking water left. The water may come back in the night, but who's gonna be up to cooking that time of the night? But I don't think, I'm not sure. And plus I have to prep for the kids tomorrow morning for school. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna get to cook today. So I don't even know where this vlog is going to end up. I tell you, I don't know where it's going to end up. But just know that I had planned this, planned that, planned this, planned that, planned this, planned that. And nothing right now. I need to go and clean the veranda or the bathroom. I think I'm going to do the veranda first, because if I deal with the bathroom, I'm going to be tired and I'm not going to be able to do the veranda. So I'm going to do the veranda first, then the bathroom, then my room last. My room might take probably 2 days, because I like details, people, details. Alright, so today is Sunday. Person might be wondering, why am I not at church? Usually I go to church online or physically, but today I am online. Alright guys, so yes, don't think nothing bad of it. Jesus still love me, I'm still saved, blah blah blah, all the works. Yes guys, yes guys, yes guys. So only thing I did was to wash my face and come on the camera. My head tie is still on, and you can see still exposing the edges, guys. Tiny tight kind of edges my teeth, but sometimes I still try and tie it a bit tight where you can see like the mark around my forehead, so you know that it kept on for the whole night. So durag is better than the wig cap thing that I usually do, because they're not making it good anymore for it to stay on my forehead. So I want to stop using that. Alright, so yes, what I plan for today or tomorrow, my hair has to be combed. I steamed it 2 times last month. This is December 1st. I steamed it 2 times last month, and I washed it last week. So I don't think I'm gonna wash it this week, because it's gonna be a busy week, guys. A busy work week, busy week. Alright, so I'm planning to do like a little challenge thing for when I start combing my hair to about Friday, Saturday, about when I have to rewash it. I want to remove the elastic band, guys. I always wanted to get enough confidence to remove the elastic band, plait it, then twist it. Alright, I know it's not going to last, but I'm gonna see how it works out this week. Alright, so this is going to be the challenge for this week, and I'm also going to try and put it in different styles for the vlog, etc., so that the persons who came here for my hair can see it. Persons who came for the art, you will get something in the vlog. Persons who came for the house decor, you will see something in the vlog. guys, I'm going to try and max out everything for everybody. All right, so stay tuned, guys, stay tuned, and let us see how this vlog goes today. All right, so what I had planned, hope I don't leave out anything, because I'm not planning to do a voiceover for this video. These vlogs go voiceover, gonna be too much work, guys. So what I'm thinking, hopefully I have everything in the vlog, so I'm gonna make sure so you understand about this, right? I'm gonna plait and twist, remove the elastic, plait and twist, and wear it for the week and see how, and tell you guys what is happening with my hair each day. All right, guys, and let you see. I'm gonna allow you guys to see how my hair operates for 1 week without the elastic band, because it have been years I've been wearing the elastic band. For those who are new here, my hair is actually waist length. Can't bother pull you out right now. Just go ahead and watch the video, scroll, and you'll find the waist length video. I'm gonna upload that right now. All right, so what I had planned for today was to cook, make ice cream for my kids, show you the decor, paint. Yes, those 4 things. But guess what? Paints did not get to buy Saturday. I'm not done cleaning. There's no water here to cook. Ice cream, I don't think I have all the ingredients. So that's what's going on today. But I promise tomorrow might be a good day. Now, another thing why it's not going so good, I had ordered some shirts from somebody, 3 persons. Let me tell you the story, guys. Let me tell you the story. So 3 persons, 3 vendors, 3. The first one, they had my shirts for 2 months. Nothing was done. So I end up have to collect them back from that person and bring it to somebody else. Somebody else now, when I brought it to them, they mentioned that it's 2 different companies. They are one company and another company operate within them. So some of the shirts, they will have to ship it off to that company to get it done. All right, so that's 2. Now the one that I go to, what that has the 2 companies, they messed up my shirt. They didn't do one part here, and they did the one at the back, but the F was missing. So it's basically artwork lip and not artwork fly. All right, so I have to give them back to change. So they still have my shirt. They're going to correct it, and they didn't do the front part. Now the other one, they said it would be ready. I went on Friday. They said it would be ready for that same Friday in the afternoon, but I didn't get to collect them. I had to leave. So I was thinking I could go for them on the Saturday, but I didn't get to go so far to collect it on the Saturday. So Monday I have that to do. I have so much things to do on Monday. It is ridiculous. And I'm not even done cleaning as yet. I thought I would be done cleaning and decor. No, it's not done, guys. So I have a lot to do, guys. But stay tuned, guys, and let's see how the first day goes. Man, I plan and gotta wipe out, but it's all my fault. I don't blame nobody. My fault. So what I'm going to work on now, I'm going to work on the veranda, then the bathroom. All right, guys. I'm going to show you clips. I'm not going to show you my full house tour. No, not about that life. I'm going to show you clips of me working and stuff like that, etc. Not to mention, I have the vlog from last week to edit. So I'm thinking probably you guys will get 2 vlogs. But we'll see how the editing process goes. If it goes quick, fast, in a rush, we can get those videos out. All right, guys. All right. So I don't have any intro for Vlogmas, for ARTMAS. I don't have any intro. And let me know in the comments down below. Do you want me to say Vlogmas or ARTMAS? My channel is mainly started on ARTMAS. So let me know down in the comments below what you guys want me to say. Alright guys, but for now I'm just gonna say ARTMAS. It's just unique, it's different from every other YouTuber out there. So I'm gonna just say ARTMAS for now until you guys say change it. Alright, so I don't have any intro. Probably make an intro on Canva. I was trying to make one, but it's not me. It's not me. It just seemed to, and I wanted to do one of those fancy one where I'm making tea and sipping tea. But guess what? Me never get the time to do all of that. Look, I'm a working mom. I'm not working right now, but I'll be working soon. I'm busy. I'm keeping down the household. It's a lot. It's a lot. It's a lot. Alright, so I'm thinking I like this song, guys. Hope me not get copyright. Down in Jamaica, this hot sunny weather, where people are warm and friendly all the time. Now it's the Christmas season and the fun can done to have a joyful airy Christmas in the sun. Bye guys. Done. It's now 2 p.m. guys, 2 p.m. and I'm just finishing up. This is a secret, I can't really tell you guys as yet, but I made it look like a giant Christmas present. I'm gonna try and get a different ribbon for this. Hi guys, I'm at church. Now I will explain everything when I go home. Hello, what? Morning, night. Yeah, right. So I am at church tonight. I just went down the road to get some cash for tomorrow. Then I stopped by church. I didn't even know that they're having church tonight. But yeah, I'm at church, guys. I will keep you updated. Bye. Hi guys, I know I haven't been showing you what I've been doing because I don't want to show you guys the inside of my house to that. You guys see, I've seen part when I'm doing little videos here and there and here and there, but I'm not going to show you the full thing. Alright guys, so that is why you weren't seeing me cleaning the bathroom and the veranda that much. But I must say that I completed the veranda. I completed the bathroom about 4:38 thereabout. Then I took a little bit of break. Then I went to do my room. No, my room was done about 6. I thought it would have taken a bit longer, but I had forgotten that I did some deep cleaning. Alright, I did some deep cleaning, so it was not much to do. It looks a lot on the surface, but it actually was a little bit of touching here and there. So yes, this didn't take as long as I thought. After that, I got ready, left out the house. You guys will see that clip. Left out the house, then I'm back. I did my daughter's hair. You will see that in the clip. After I did my daughter's hair, I now set up this little spot and I'm going to do an unboxing. I really want to see what is in there, so I'm going to do it today. Alright, and Guys, remember I told you guys that I don't have any water to make dinner. I had planned so much for this vlog day one, but it never worked out, guys. So what I'm eating now is basically Saturday Sunday. I have a bit more soup in the fridge, so it's Saturday Sunday we're working with today. Alright guys, so these are there. I don't know what is in this one, but I think I know what is in these two. So I'm going to open them up. Wait, there's actually 3 of them. I didn't realize that it was 3. Alright, so let's see what is inside, guys. I can't show you guys the address or anything, so that's why I cut out those parts. So this is it, guys. So I wanted to see how the printed version looks. So this one is print. The other one that I got is embroidery. It's cool, it's nice. Alright. I don't know if you guys know about this, but I definitely want to try it for a vlog for ARTMAS. So comment down below and let me know. I can't wait to try it, guys. This one, let's see. Guess who's going to make seafood boil? So I'm gonna make seafood boil, guys, for the Christmas. It's for the Christmas season. It's for the Christmas season. Alright, so let's see what is in this one. I really don't know what is in this one. I have no idea what is in this one. This is not for me. This is or not for me. Alright, so this one probably is for my husband, because I don't know what this is. This one is definitely for my husband. So, guys, this is not for me. I don't remember ordering nothing like this. Alright, so obviously it's a what do you call this now? Look, guys, this. I don't remember what's the name of it. So this is it. It's a drone. Yes. Yes, the Holy Spirit reminded me. It's a drone, guys. Alright, so I'm gonna give this to. So these are mine, and this is what my 2 favorite cooks and chefs and foodies, BLOVE, Riley. So excited to try, guys. Just stay tuned. Stay tuned. By the way, guys, my son is not too well, so I'm not sure how this week is going to go in terms of doing road. Not sure, but guys, just stay tuned. Stay tuned, guys. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and edit this vlog, guys, and have some dinner. Ufundu. 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 Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.